afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Michelle.
So before you sit down, please lead the prayer, Ismael.
Hindi po tayo pagkakalaman. Panginoon, salamat po muli sa paggawa sa araw natin po. Panginoon, sa kalakasan natin, mabuti na naranasan po. Kaya po ito po kami gagayan sa observation nito. Dahil namin po kami talino, po kung magawa namin ang pagkakalitan namin. Kaya po ang sa lang sa Panginoon.
Amen. Okay, so meron pa tayong isang prayer. Ito yung walking in the light. Okay, everybody. So it is a form of your motivation.
It's a great day to serve the Lord. It's a great day to serve the Lord. It's a great day to serve the Lord. Walking in the light of God. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walking in the light of God. It's a great day to praise the Lord. It's a great day to praise the Lord. It's a great day to praise the Lord. Walking in the light of God. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walking in the light of God. It's a great day to love the Lord. It's a great day to walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walk, 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 walk in the light. Walking in the light of God.
Then, wala na kayo for review. Again, class, what do we mean by the socialization and the enculturation? When we say socialization, yes, socialization is Maya.
Socialization po ay isa po yung kaya sa mga process ng pera po. Kung ano yung nangyayari, yung evolution po.
Okay. Hindi ba halaga sa namuha natin, Filipino?
So, kapag po.
Okay, so our fellows with other people. Okay, another explanation of socialization natin.
Socialization po, para po sa akin, dito po na yung personality mo po ay nautubog, tapos doon mo nalalaman yung iyong iba't ibang talent. Tapos na-adapt na po yung kultura ng iba.
So when we socialize, we learn the norms and values in our society. Okay, how about the word enculturation? Diba, in socialization, we learn their beliefs, we learn their values, and the norms that is present in our society. While in enculturation, ano naman yung ginagawa natin as a human? In enculturation, we will about to Rayalin. We will about to
Ina-adapt po namin yung mga cultures ng mga tao.
very good. Doon sa isa, we learn their beliefs. So this is the process that a person acquire knowledge, the belief that is present in their society. While in enculturation, you will be able to adapt those beliefs and traditions that they have in their society. Okay? So, malinaw naman. So, for number 2, please read.
What is the importance of socialization to the development of oneself?
Okay, so what is the importance of socialization? Gaano natin ito kahalaga or paano paano natin masasabing mahalaga ang socialization to the development of yourself as a human being. Gaano kahalaga ang socialization? Anyone from this class? Saisi. Saisi.
Mas ano po, mas nagiging sabay din po tayo sa mga kasama po. Gawa po ng mayroon tayong mga bagong tao or kaibigan na nakakasalungo natin. So, meron po pagkakataon na
Is important. Dahil daw, Richard. Ako. Oh, ano yun? Yes, Ryan.
parang dun po na ako kasi wala naman pong taong kaya mag-isa. So, kailangan ko talaga makapag-socialize. Parang dun po na ako nabubuo yung pagkatao ng mas kinala ko
Okay. So that is correct. Diba? Since kayo ay senior high school na, so yung the knowledge that you acquire from your childhood, it plays an important role on your personal development. So ano yung mga natutunan nyo since kayo'y bata? Ano yung mga knowledge na nakuha nyo with your environment? It helps you to develop your personality. Vital role of socialization to our development. Kasi sabi ko kahapon, kung ikaw ay galing sa family na talagang well-mannered, madadala nyo yan hanggang sa loob ng aming bahay. Pero kung galing kayo sa family wherein masyado kayo ng nag-aaway or sanay kayo magsalita ng malakas, so we adapt. That's why tinatawag natin na kung paano kayo ngayon as a person, kung sino kayo ngayon, it is the product of socialization. Please look at all the pictures. Ayan, yung mga pictures tayo on the screen. So we have here, so look at them. Can you please describe the picture? The first picture. First picture talk about what? Yes, that.
Parang lang po yung sa mga peers na
Okay. The first picture muna. Ito muna.
sa family, tapos mga
Other relatives. Okay. Aside from that, meron pa? Meron pinakita iba dyan? For number 1. So that is correct naman si Lana. That is an family. How about the second picture? Can you please describe? It talks about school. Yeah, the school. Just like Bayan National High School. This is our school. And the other one, mass media. Ang mass media natin na tinatawag ko is social media. Okay. The work of we're using the browser, we're using the internet to access easily with social media, just like Facebook, Twitter, and pa. Ano pa? Yung sinasayaw-sayawan nyo? TikTok. Okay. So, really for all social media. And the other one is video. The individual or art. Sure, yung ating mga videos. So, this is the questions. Are you familiar to the word that you identify? Familiar ba kayo sa family?
Yes.
Okay. O, ano ba yung natin doon? Family, school, education, and mass media. Okay. So what do you think the connection of this word in our society? Ano kaya yung connection ng mga binanggit natin words kanina? We have the family, we have the religion, mass media, and the school. Yes, ayan.
Yung mga nabanggit ko, parang yun po yung buo sa isang society.
Okay, there's one who goes our society. What else? Ano pa? Jillian.
Parang yung organization sa isang society na meron ng
Okay, parang sa organization in one society that there is a leader. O may nag-live doon sa isang society. Okay. So that is what we call the agents of socialization. O but when we say agents, ano daw siya?
That influence your orientation and perspectives to life.
Ano po yun? Different groups of people. Na ano, sila yun? Nakaka-influensya on your orientations and your perspective in life. A male, you are a female. When you are a male, you have this. Sabihin nung nanay. When you are a female, you have this. So, ngayon, tino-orient na tayo. That is the gender orientation. So, alam na natin, ano dapat yung ginagawa mo as a girl or as a boy? What are you going to play? Do you want to play this game? Sabihin nung nanay, kapag ikaw girl and you were playing basketball, sabihin nung nanay ninyo ay, huwag yan. Dapat ang nilalaro nyo ay gun or yung mga manita. Pag naman naglalaro ng manita, yung lalaki, sabihin ng nanay sa orientation, huwag yan. Dapat ang nilalaro nyo ay basketball. Okay, baril-barila. So, yan yung mga orientation sa atin. Okay. So, another is what we call the perspective in our life. Ano na yung pananaw natin today in our life? Ang perspective ba natin today, life is good, life is full of happiness, or life is full of misery? So, ano yung perspective natin in our life? So, yan po yung ating, ano yan, perspective na tinatawag. Ano yung pananaw natin in our life will influence by these agents. Sino yung mga agents na yun? The first agent, syempre, is our family. Okay, and this is considered as the most important agent of primary socialization. Okay, dahil po ang family, sinasabi po natin, this is the basic unit of our society, wherein the child first acquired the knowledge on their own. Lahat ng knowledge natin, first natin siyang nakuha doon sa ating. So, you know how to eat, yan ay na-acquire mo when you're good. You know how to change your clothes, na-acquire din natin sa ating. And also, this is the process of mastering the basic skills required to function in society during our childhood. So, alinin natin, yung tayo bata pa, ayaw natin na yung tayo ay iiwan ng ating parents. Gusto natin laging kasama. So, dahil nga po, family is the first and the most important agent of primary socialization. Sila pa lang kasi yung una nating kasama tayo. Wala namang iba. Yung family natin. Di ba family is composed of mother, father, and children. And sometimes, mayroon pa rin kayong kasama sa bahay. We have our grandfather, we have our grandmother, our cousins, and our uncles, and titas, titos. So, yan papasok yung extended family. One student who would like to share her memories in the kindergarten. Sige nga, paano kayo doon? How excited you are? Gano'n ba excited that time? Yung pagpasok sa school, are you excited with the bottle, with the snacks? That your mother prepared for you? Ismael, can you please share a short memory of your kindergarten life?
Ayun po. Yung ako ng kindergarten ko na.
Daycare na lang, daycare.
Daycare.
Para
Daycare.
masyadong, parang mas, ano siya, pinakauna or primary. O, dito doon tayo.
Ngayon po, Nung daycare po ako, yun po, support ko aking mga magulang sa aking pag-aaral. Ito din po, dahil, tsaka dami kong excited na makasama yung mga kaklase, dahil kilala ko nga lang din po sila, kung sino-sino sila. So, ganun po, napakasaya po na meron mga kasama na rin, meron ka pong mga kaklase na ganun.
Okay. Thank you, Ismael, for sharing your memory with us. Another from the Justin.
Yung sa akin po kasi nung daycare pa po ako, ako po talaga na may manakaw. Kaya po kayo masipag pumasok
May palain na.
Hindi ba dati laging may gatas
Okay.
Oh, okay, yes. Until now.
Ayun po na. Gulay. Ayun po, pag mapapasok po kami, kukunin po ako, tapos tatama din na po ako, kakain na ako, tapos
Okay.
set na po ako.
So, thank you for sharing the memories with us. So, hanggang ngayon naman, Justin, hindi ganun pa rin.
Mapinapa
Talaga
talaga man.
na-excite din na, nakaka-excite talaga na kunin yung mga feeding ko na nakalakad para sa akin. At ang kagandahan ngayon, even hindi ka maka-attend with the daycare center, ipapadala na lang sa bahay.
Dati,
So, dati ay hindi pala. The student is required to get their yung mga feeding. Okay? Next, we have the peer groups. Sino naman ang peer groups, class? They are
Help children like some issues such as appearance, social activities, and baking.
okay. Sino yung mga peer groups sa pinag-reading?
Friends.
Yung ating mga friends or friendships. Yung ating mga barkada. Not necessarily talaga big best friends. Pero yung lagi mo nakakasama, they are your peer groups. Sinong peer groups niyo dito? Ay, ba dito yung hati ng grupo? Merong grupo ni na Joy, may grupo ni na Richard, peer group na yan. At saka grupo ni na Ismael. So, peer group, barkadahan. And usually, high school life, yun talaga na-develop sa atin kung ating pakikisama with our peer group. So, paano na kayo nakisama with your peer groups? Dumating na ba sa point na sinusod na kayo ng parents nyo? Dahil nandun kayo sa mga barkada nyo? Dumating na sa ganung point sizing. Yes. Napuntahan na ng parents or your parents looking at you kung nasaan na ba kayo because you are together with your friends. So sabihin na natin ang peer groups, they are the source of your identity. Diba meron kasabihan, tell me who your friends are and I will tell you who you are. Ibig sabihin mo sa akin ang kaibigan mo at masasabi ko ngayon kung sino ka. Ay kung ang kaibigan mo ay mga na-bibisyo, ibig sabihin hindi kayo ganun. So that's why we need to choose carefully kung sino yung friends na dapat ay ating sasama. Huwag lang yung pakikisama lang para maging belong. Di ba kaya kung pinag-aralan natin, everybody wants to be belong. O yung merong tayong tinatawag na sense of belongingness. Yung talagang ito ay dapat ay kasali. Ano po? Okay, another one is what we call the mass media. So what is mass media?
Permits limitation and role playing, but does not encourage more complex forms of learning. Technology is socializing families in the multitasking as the social norm.
Yan, mass media, yung mga pinapanood natin, syempre it influence us. Ano ba yung palagi mong pinapanood? You watch the news. Are you interested with the news or are you interested with the drama? Yan. So yan ay nakaka-influence din on our development. On our personal development. Yung ating mga napapanood. Kasi nga kung ano yung napapanood natin, yun yung nag-instill with our mind. So be careful din sa pinapanood. Huwag laging Korean. Nakasakama Korean mo, sobrang mo lang nagugustuhan ng tumira sa pamilya. So, nawawala na yung identity na ayaw mo na sa Pilipino kasi gusto ko yung mga singgit. So, ano siya yung nagkakaroon ng asito, sarang diba? Tapos, baka yung pera natin, sinungaling natin yung product from other nationality because of the influence of mass media. Okay, and we have the number 5, the church or the religion. Yan. It's an agent of socialization and social control. So, what do you think is the influence of church or the religion in your life? Ariel. Okay, for being mga Diyos. So, yun talaga nakaka-influence siya. Ang church or religion to our life. So, another influence of church or religion in our life. Sino pa? Sige, tanong natin si Asus Mael. What is the influence of religion or church in your life?
Ano po, minsan po sila may naging kalis sa mga kainan sa mga pagsulong ko sa mga karami.
Okay.
Dahil po yun, nakababad po sa pagkakas.
Okay, so tama naman po yung pares sa matama yung kanilang answers. Ang influence is Ismael, they are the motivator. They motivate, bibigay ng strength through the words of God. Okay, another we have also the workplace. Ano naman ang workplace?
Perform socialization through onboarding. This is the mechanism through which employees acquire the necessary knowledge, skills, and behavior to become effective organizational members.
Yan, workplace. So wala pa kayo dyan, pero darating pa kayo sa time na talaga mag-work na rin kayo. And are you excited to work? Yes. Yes. So, siya kayo nagkakaroon ng workplace. And your workplace will influence your personality as well. In what ways? Kasi, kung sino mo kasama mo sa trabaho, what kind of workplace you have, it influence your life, your perspective. Halimbawa, kayo ay nag-work sa call center. Ano yung skills that you acquired while you were working in the call center? Fluent English. Yan. So that is good. Try. You become fluent on using English language. And you will be able to use the knowledge that you gain from your experience and other, what do you say, sana parang pwede ko namin? Yung mga knowledge and skills that we got in our workplace, communication, easily communicating with others. So workplace, para hindi tayo patutunan. Or meron kayong mga makakuha na knowledge and ideas. And I know naman na lahat na tayo in the future, we aspire to work. Gusto natin sa trabaho. Sino na ayaw magtrabaho? Or you don't want to have your workplace really makipag-deal and able to have a successful business communication. It will improve the success of your business. Okay. So any question for the sixth agent of socialization? Again, we have the family, we have the school, period rules, mass media, church, religion, and the workplace. Okay, we have an activity here. You can feel it. Imagine yourself as the image below. Imagine nyo yan. So, nasa loob na, lagay nyo na. Fill in with who or what influenced you to become the person you are now. 5 minutes only. 5 minutes only for this activity. Isulat nyo lang sa notebook nyo. Sino at ano ang mga naka-influensya sa inyo para maging ganyan kung ano kayo mag-work. Kung kayo ngayon ay mabuting tao, who? And what influenced you? Sino at ano? Sino at ano naka-influence sa akin nanay ko? Ano ang naka-influence sa akin? Balbon ko lang? For your good. So, yun lang po. In 5 minutes, ha? Since we still have another activity after that. Sino? Who or what? Hindi na, lagay nyo na lang. Kasi 5 minutes lang words. 5 minutes only, ha? At least 5 sentences. 5 sentences is enough. Sino kaya ang naka-influensya sa inyo? Bakit kayo kumuha ng bus? Pwede mo kayo mag-TV. Kaya sino naka-influence sa inyo? Bakit gusto niyo maging engineer? So, after that, you will proceed with another activity. So, this is the instruction class, your group activity, tutorial 13. Yan. So, ano yung i-grade natin? The one that I give you? Yan. For group 1, here is yan. Family and school for group 2, religion and peer group. Medium peers will have peer group. And for group 3, the mass media and the workplace. So, yan. So, ang grades natin, paano natin siya i-grade? Content, 50%, originality, 25%, creativity, 15%, neatness, or yung kalinisan, 10%, a total of 100%. Okay, so proceed with your group mates now. Yan, for 10 minutes only, you will doing your output. Malina po yan, tayo po. And for group 3, the mass media and the workplace. Ayun, hindi. Ito tayo yung Well, the other techniques is their drawings with their editorial cartooning. Prepare na explanation and one representative only yun ang mag-explain dito sa unahan. Some representative lang per group.
Tapos mo.
Mag-isip na, yung iba ng explanation. So, dapat makita mo na lahat ay nagpa-participate ha. Yung iba nagpa-contribute ng idea, yung iba naman po ay nag-show. Sige, yung best present for today, bukas yung prize. Best presenter. Best group. Okay, 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, presentation na tayo of your output.
Ako, alam mo yung may mga tao. Wala ko ba na kubayad? Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes na lang ha. Magtulong-tulong na para ma-achieve nyo yung inyong editorial cartoon. Okay, our first presenter is the group 1, syempre, followed by the group 2, and the last presenter is the group 3.
Pag ganito mga siya. Last 3 minutes.
Ito ako. Hindi ko lang talaga.
Madali. Yes. Ano pa rin eh.
Percent for output.
Yes.
So let us start now your presentation of your output. Let's begin with group 1. Group 1. Okay, who is the presenter? And how do you come up with the kinds of output?
Magandang po sa inyo. Dito nga kayo sa amin, yung school every ayan, magkasama sila. Support sila doon sa kanila. Anak, papunta sa school. At dito naman si teacher. Nandito, nakaabang doon sa kanyang students. So yun, nagtutulungan yung bawat isa. So magka-connect na talaga ang family tsaka yung school para mas maganap yung mas magkaroon ng success dun sa pangarap ng isang bata o ng isang mag-aaral.
Ito naman po yung caption namin. Education and family is our strength. So, paano po namin nasabi yun? Kasi po, tayo bilang mga estudyante, syempre po hindi tayo makakapunta sa ating paroroonan o sa ating pangarap, hindi natin maabot yun kapag wala tayong kaalaman or walang tulong yung ating mga magulang. So, yun po, our strength. Kalakasan natin yung education at saka yung ating pamilya para makarating sa ating tagumpay. Yun lang.
Okay, let's give it a round of applause. The religion and we are group 2.
So, yung sa amin is about religion and peer group.
Peer group.
So dito sa ginawa nating illustration, ang nakalagay dito ay, kung makita niyo is parang alam niyo sa mga Muslim, yung mga nagtuturo sa kanila ng mga salita sa Quran. Kasi di ba, sa religion naman hindi lang ba about Catholic or sa mga Christian or sa ibang. Ito yung sa Muslim. Tapos ito yung mga ibang, yung mga bata. Alam mo di ba, pag halimbawa, yung maabang bata ka pa, mas maganda na yung natuturuan ka na ng about sa religion. Kasi doon yung nahuhubog yung ating kamalayan ng Islam. So, that's kung may makikita kayo doon, nakalagay dito ay, whenever we have difficulties in life, there's always a solution for that. Tapos sumagot yung bata na, yes, with the help of God.
Saka dito, ito nga yung simbahan. Siyempre, part dito sa religion, as a family, or yung mga peers, yung mga magkakaibigan, hindi maiiwasan na mas maganda yung gano'n na hindi lang sa school or sa kung saan sa mga gala, sa mga outing kayo magkakasama. Dapat, parang mas inaano nyo yung mas magkakasama kayo pag hindi pa kayo or sa mga. Tapos, sabi dito, a lot of challenges are coming, but with God and love of God, we can overcome those challenges. Kaya nga, so mahalaga talaga si God sa atin. kahit na maraming mga pagsubok namin, kahit mahirap na tayo, mga ganun bagay, basta nandiyan si God, lalalapasan natin yung mga bagay.
Okay, thank you for explain. Okay, then, the last but not the least, the group 3. Let's hear.
So yun, ang nagpunta sa amin ay mass media and day. So unahin na natin yung sa mass media. Through mass media, sa workplace, isa unahin na namin sa workplace. Ang trabaho na kasi, isa siyang newscaster. So, naghahatid siya ng balita sa mga tao through media. So, ang pinalita niya ay Andrea and Bayega lang issue. So, dahil sa kanya, parang nagkakaroon ng idea or nalalaman ng iba kung ano ba yung napapanahong balita ngayon. And ito naman, isa siyang photographer. So, dahil sa kanya, may dalawang couple na naging masaya dahil sa kinuhanan niya ng pictures. And then, doon naman sa pangatlo namin, is yung siyang call center agent na ang sabi niya, are you satisfied with our service? Ang sagot ng babae na taga USA, right? Yes, thank you. It helps me a lot. So, dahil din sa media or through communication, parang nakakatulong yung ibang tao na maging satisfied kung ano man yung mga gusto nilang ma-achieve. So, yung call center, natulungan niyo yung isang girl na humihingi ng tulong.
Tapos dito naman sa mass media, meron tayong iba't ibang apps na ginagamit. Ay itong mga apps na to, parang nakaka-influence po sa pang-araw-araw natin. Nagkakaroon tayo ng mga kaalaman dahil sa mga na-discover natin gamit itong mga apps.
Okay, thank you for this. Lahat naman ay magagaling natin yung presentation. So, let's explain. Okay, the editorial card name. What can you say about your experience today about making an editorial card today? How do you find the activity? It is interesting and it is also helpful for you to identify the influences or the agent of the socialization. So let us sum up. What are the agents of socialization from your presentation?
Family, school, religion, and peer group, mass media, and workplace.
Okay. Those are the agents of socialization. Those are the things that influence your development as a human being. So yan mga yan ay they play an important role on people's life or on your life, not only as a student, but also when you were an adult. Remember nyo itong aking pinag-aralan about the agents of socialization. So by that, by your drawing, you will be able to identify all of those agents of socialization. Okay, guys, congratulations to all of you. Tomorrow, I will announce the winner for that activity. And together with a prize that I will give you for your effort. Okay? So, we're not yet done. We have 5 item quiz, multiple choice, and a 1 word sheet of paper. Letter only. Letter only, and you will answer it. 1 word. Write the letter only. Okay, and a 1 word sheet of paper. Write your name, your instruction, and the date today. Okay. For number 1, the question for number 1 is flash on our screen. Agent socialization that usually provides children with their system of values, norms, and beliefs. So, pakisulat na kung ano yung answer na parang best for you. What is the best answer A, B, C, or D? Nakakasabay po ba? Number 2 question na tayo. All of the following statements are true about socialization, except maliban sa isa. Letter A, B, C, or D. Lahat ay tama, pero may isa siyang uncountable. Alin yun? Write it down. Your one word share. Okay, done? For number 3 question. Okay? Okay. Number 3. An agent of socialization, social control, is a significant role in organizing and directing social life. Alin siya? Is it the workplace, the media, the religion, or the family? For number 4 question. It helps children and adolescents separate themselves from their families and develop independent source of identity. Makapag-develop daw kayo ng inyong source of your own identity. Ano kaya ito? Identity. Tumagin for the tayo. And for number 5, are largely responsible for secondary socialization outside the family after childhood. So, ano yung ginagawa natin after, when we were young, from now, from the word secondary? What's the answer? Yes. We can directly the social life. Organizing, directing our social life. Diba? Nakaka-influence na siya sa akin yung number 3. Pupunta ka na sana sa ganito, yan ang di ka makapunta kasi bawal na. Bawal natin. May nagdalagan nito. Pinag-aralan nito sa pagbabasa na Bible. Okay. Alright. Everybody is done? Okay. With the system of works. Nandiyan din yun. Ano yan? Medyo may iba lang tanong, ay dalitan na. Alright, so let us answer exchange your paper with your signature. Alright. This is the answer. I will flash it. Everybody write correct advice. Okay, this is the answer. For number 1, what is the answer? B. Letter B. For number 2, C. C. For number 3, letter C. For number 4,
A.
letter E. Letter D. And for number 5 is letter A. Letter A. Okay. So please pass your paper now. Count the number of correct. Who got 5? 5? 5. 4. I think 5 if you get side. 5. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Kami nakawala ba? Sabi naman. Ay, hindi. So, kung lang yung pinaka. Congratulations ha. Talagang nakikinig na lesson for today. So, for our assignment class, ayan. And take note our assignment. Okay. You need to write it on your note. You may take a picture of it. And that is your assignment to be passed tomorrow. Any question? Yes. Please pass your group 1. Okay, huwag makalimutan lagyan ng names ha. Dito sa akin ba? Any question class? None? Okay. all for today, class. Since you don't have any questions, I will say goodbye. Bye, class.
Goodbye, Ma'am Rochelle. Thank you for teaching us today.